Hello everyone and welcome back to module 1 of Bootstrap. So in this session, we will be learning about Bootstrap image. So let's start. First, we'll see what do you mean by image shapes, which types of image shapes are available with the help of the classes. Then we'll see how to align an image with the help of the Bootstrap classes, responsive image and some example of it. So let's begin. First is image shapes. Now, in Bootstrap, the image is displayed using a image tag in different shapes and corners. That is rounded corners, or you wanted to be the corner that is edges, corners, circles. So likewise, with the help of the Bootstrap classes, you can assign different shape to the particular color or image. These shapes or corners can be implemented using the classes. The different shapes and the corners that can be used for image in Bootstraps are given below. First is rounded corners. The dot rounded glass adds rounded corners to the image. Means, for example, if this is an image, so it will add the rounded corners to the all the sides of right, top, bottom, and left side. To that image, it will add a rounded corner. Then circle, the dot rounded circle class shapes the image to the circle. That means your particular image shape will be converted to the circle face. That is, inside this particular circle shape, you will get your image. Next is thumbnail. The dot image thumbnail class shape the image to the thumbnail. That is, it will be created as a thumbnail. If you have observed any thumbnail, then it have a particular border and particular type of shape and heighten it. So likewise, it will assign particular borders inside which your image will be displayed. After that, how we can align image using the Bootstrap class. So aligning an image means to position the image at the center. So for align an image, it can be left, right, center. You can align your image to any kind of that is left, right, or center. We can use the float property and text align property for the alignment of the images. So you can use any property that is float property or text align property to image. Then you can float an image to left with the help of float start. So as we have studied for this text also, so for text, if you want to align your text to the left hand side, so what property we had used? We had used the class name text start. The same here, if you want to make your image float to the left hand side, so we have to use the class name as dot float start class or to write with the float end. So if you want to display to the right hand side, so simply we have to use float end. Then let's talk about the responsive image. Now, image comes in all the size. So do screens. Means when you see an image, so it comes into a different size. Same way, the screens also come with the different size. That is phone screen, tablet screen, laptop screen. Then responsive image automatically adjusts to the width of the screen. See, when you use a simple image, it will be cut short when you use or when you view the particular image to the smaller device. But when we talk about this particular responsive image, it will get adjusted to your particular responsive devices. Create responsive image by adding image fluid class to your image type. The image will then scale nicely to the parent element. The dot image fluid class applies max width, that is 100%, and height auto to the image. So it will apply max width to the image and height will be automatically adjusted. So let's see the practical implementation, how we can use this class. Simply here I have taken a blank file. I have saved that file with .html extension. After that, we will write simple HTML structure, giving char set and name viewport, giving title as Bootstrap. Bootstrap images. We will copy paste the CDN link. Okay. Now, inside the body section, we will make use of div. We will assign class as container. Inside the div, we will make use of heading tag and give heading as rounded corners. So first example which we are going to see is for rounded corners. Simply we have mentioned heading. After that, we will mention an image tag. So to embed a image inside any Bootstrap or any HTML program, we have to simply use the image tag. Now here we have to mention so my file name is cat.jpg. You have to save the image into a same file where your particular HTML file has been saved. Then we have written cat, that is source, then giving class as rounded. After that, we will give alt tag, that is if by any chance or any error, if a particular image is not being displayed, so this alt message will be displayed, and then we will assign width equal to 304 pixel, and then we will assign height as 236 pixel. We will save and let's see the output. Or here we no need to mention the pixel because it is a shorthand property. Save. Okay, there is problem fetching the particular image. So let's see. So as you can see, if my image doesn't display, the alt message has been displayed. Simply, my particular cat file was saved into another file. तो simply मैं यहाँ पे save कर लेती हूँ again. Reload. तो आप देख सकते हो जो मेरा image है वो यहाँ पे आपको display दिखाई रहा है. तो देख ऐसे ही हम लोग राउंडेड क्लास की हेल्प से देखो हम लोग ने जो इमेज का जो कॉर्नर्स है वो कैसे है राउंडेड फॉर्मेट में है. नेक्स्ट अगर आपको सर्कल करना है तो सिंपली आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा राउंडेड और यहाँ पे सिर्फ आपको मेंशन करना पड़ेगा सर्कल सेव और आउटपुट. तो आप देख सकते हो जो मेरा पर्टिकुलर जो शेप है हमारा इमेज का वो कैसे फॉर्मेट में है राउंडेड फॉर्मेट में. अगर थंबनेल के फॉर्मेट में लेके जाना है तो सिंपली आपको इमेज थंबनेल सेव रीलोड. तो आप देख सकते हो जो मेरा पर्टिकुलर इमेज है वो थंबनेल के पैटर्न में आपको यहाँ पे दिखाई दे सकते. तो लाइक वाइज हम हमारे पर्टिकुलर इमेज को डिफरेंट शेप में हम कर सकते हैं अलाइन. अगर आपको जैसे कि अगर शिफ्ट करना हो या फिर कहाँ पे फ्लोट करवाना हो तो सिंपली आपको क्लास यूज करना पड़ता है यहाँ पे फ्लोट. तो यहाँ पे मैं क्लास की जगह फ्लोट स्टार्ट कर देती हूँ या फिर स्टार्ट में ही है तो हम लोग फ्लोट एंड क्लास का यूज करेंगे. फ्लोट एंड सेव रीलोड. तो आप देख सकते हो फ्लोट एंड क्लास का यूज किया तो वो कहाँ शिफ्ट हो गया लेफ्ट हैंड सॉरी राइट हैंड साइड में शिफ्ट हो गया. तो इसी में हेल्प के मदद से आप डिफरेंट बूटस्ट्रैप क्लासेस के मदद से अपने इमेज को शेप या फिर अलाइन कर सकते हो. आई होप आपको ये समझ आया होगा. थैंक यू.